You guys, in this video I am going to show you how to disable the live voicemail feature if it is useless for you. Apple's new iOS 17 major update brings a new live voicemail feature by default activated on iPhone. The live voicemail that transcribes voicemail messages sent by others. If any user leaves your voicemail, you will now be able to see a live text transcriptions on the call display as they are leaving the voicemail. The user interface looks like similar that of the lyrics features on Apple Music and Spotify app. Let's go. In settings, there is a switch for live voicemail on and off. Follow the steps how to disable live voicemail. To do so, step 1 go to settings, step 2 scroll to phone tab, step 3 tap on live voicemail, step 4 on the screen turn toggle off next to live voicemail. The white button means disable live voicemail. From now, your upcoming voicemail will not display the transcript. Suppose in future you want to live voicemail feature activated. Please go to the settings app, scroll to the phone section and choose live voicemail. Turn toggle green next to the live voicemail. This is pretty simple. So this was all about enable and disable live voicemail feature on iOS 17 and later running iPhone users. My friends, please like these videos. I have a target of 1000 likes on this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.